MSc, PhD Botany, B.Ed. M.Ed, MCA, and M. English. Formerly, I was lecturer in the college. Then I became principal of the college. After retirement, I am teaching to the IAS PCS students, CBSE students, and inter and UP board.
ये
Today,
बहुत अच्छे सर है जी, ये ऐसी पढ़ाई पढ़ाते हैं, ऑनलाइन पढ़ाते हो, जैसे ऑनलाइन पढ़ना हो, बढ़िया पढ़ाते हैं।
today I am discussing you heart of a frog. The external heart of the frog contains a structure called post cable on the dorsal side and right auricle and left auricle, and it contains, if you see on the ventral side, we contain precable, post cable, ventral, left auricle, right auricle, and the aortic trunks. Now, on the, if you see the structure of the heart, it is located on the front side and it is covered in a membrane that is called pericardium. Pericardium is a two-side membrane. It protects the heart after shock. After shock. If you see the internal structure of the heart, then we see that in the heart, on the upper side there are two auricles and the lower side is ventricle. The ventricle contains structure chordae tendineae and auricle wall, and between two auricles is found a septum that is called auricle ventricular septum. In the dorsal side of the heart there is a small structure that is called opening of pulmonary veins, because it brings the pure oxygenated blood from the heart. Next is found Eustachian aperture, and in the truncus arteriosus there are three arcs: carotid arch, systemic arch, pulmonary arch. देखो पानी गिर रहा, इसे कहा था मैं कल साफ करा था भाई, बहुत ही बेकार आदमी है, क्या नाम इसका, by the pulmonary arch it carries blood and blood reach into the ventral ventricle, and in the pulmocutaneous arch blood reach from skin and other parts, and the systemic arch contains heart blood, and the both blood goes into the ventricle through auriculoventricular aperture. Now both auricle contract, it is called systole. If they relax, then it is called systole and diastole. Systole and diastole. Diastole is the opening and the systole is the contraction. Now we see that if we go into the heart is myogenic, it controls by muscles, and the contraction of heart is systole and relaxation is diastole. If you see in this diagram, you see that in blood vessels from truncus arteriosus blood goes into trunk, then it goes into the head, then it venous, and arterious side it goes to the skin, then venous, and from the lungs it goes to the left auricle, and from truncus arteriosus it goes from the ventral article. The right auricle blood throws to the ventricle. Now we see the function of heart and structure of the heart. Dear students, today I am discussing gametogenesis. The formation of gamete in the man is called gametogenesis. If it takes place in the male, then it is called spermatogenesis. If it takes into female, then it is called oogenesis. In the spermatogenesis in male, it takes place in the testis. Testis contain germinal epithelium. It contains a cell 2n. Then it divides by mitosis division. 2 cells are formed. Then 4 cells are formed. All contain just like mother cell 2n chromosome. It is called growth growth stage. In growth phase, we take primary
कर देंगे ना आप
primary spermatocyte is formed. It contains 2n chromosomes. Then it divides into 2 cells that is called primary spermatids 1 and 2. 1 and 2 makes by the meiosis division 4 cells. Each contain half chromosomes, and after that 4 sperms are formed.